Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Let's start the new topic, Chapter 14 Geometrical Shapes. Chapter 14 is Geometrical Shapes. We have done previous chapter 13, Basics of Geometry. In the chapter of Basics of Geometry, you have studied about what is a ray, line segment, point. I hope you all know what is a line segment. But a line segment is a part of line. It has two endpoints. Like as here I will tell you. In briefly I will tell you this is a simple point. It is known as point. When we joining two points means here are two endpoints. So it is known as line segment. If line segments move in one direction, it has one endpoint, and move endlessly in one direction, then it is known as ray. If same line segment move endlessly in both directions, then it is called a line. So in chapter 14 we will discuss about line segments. Line segment. But all the figures are formed by line segment. Some figures are closed or some are open. Like is this. It is a open figure, and now this is a closed figure. But these figures are polygon? No, because it is not formed by line segment. So these are made of only curve. When we draw any line by freehand, then it is known as curve. When we draw any line segment, then it is known as polygon. So you have studied about polygon in 4th class also. Here is figure made by 3 line segment. 1, 2, 3. So it is a polygon. It is known as triangle. And this is a rectangle. 4 side figure formed by 4 line segment. Rectangle, square. This is a parallelogram, rhombus. So all these are quadrilateral. Leave this one topic. Today we will discuss about only triangles. Triangle is a figure that is formed by 3 line segment. Here is it has 3 vertices. Vertices means corner. Before starting about the topic triangle, write here definition of triangle. Triangle means a simple closed figure made up of 3 line segments. So before draw the triangle, we will draw here 3 points. So it has 3 vertices. When we join these 3 points, it makes line segment. It has 3 line segments. You have studied about angles also. So how many angles are here? 3. 3 angle. It has 3 angles. Triangle. Tri means 3 angles. Triangle, in simple language, triangle means figure made up of 3 angles figure. Here we will represent this sign to represent triangle. It is known as, like as we can give any name like as A, B, C. Yeah, here is P, Q, R. These all are triangle. So see on your book exercise 14.1, page number 192. Which of the following figures are triangle? Tick. First figure is, here are how many sides? 3 sides, and it is a closed figure. So it is a triangle. Second figure, here is also 3 sides. It is also closed. It is, tick these figures. Now in C part, here is 3 line segment, but it is open figure. So it is not a triangle. In D part, 1, 2, 3. It is also 3 line segment, but it is not closed. So it is not a triangle. 1, 2, 3, and it is closed figure. So it is a triangle. Here is a one circle. Now question number second, look at the figure given alongside name. Here is figure given 1, 2, 3 line segment, 3 vertices, 3 angles. LMN is a triangle. The sides of the triangle. First side is LM. Second one is MN. Third is NL. NL या LN. You can write both. The angles of the triangle. How many angles are here? 3. Angle L, angle M, or angle N. The vertices of the triangle. First point is L, second point is M, third point is N. Beta vertices means point या corner. Here are 3 corners L, M, N. Now the name of the triangle, complete triangle's name is L, M, N. Put a sign of triangle. It is a sign of triangle, and here is a sign of angle. So complete exercise 14.1 on your book. Thank you and have a wonderful day.